on, man. You look on the YouTube, ain't saying nothing. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. Yeah. What's going on?
You always want to say like and subscribe to me on YouTube.
Yeah. Say like and subscribe.
Tell them to like, subscribe, and comment on Subzero Charger. Oh, see? And you're going to be on the intro if you do it.
Stand up. Stand up.
Go over there.
Subscribe to Subcharger.
Hey! We are...
Round one, fight!
Yo! And we back with another banger video. Cold video. Subzero Charger. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we back. Welcome to another video. You know what I'm saying? Stop it. Oh, you got the same clothes on. Yeah, stop. Second video of the day. Different video. Look, same day as the last video. Wait, what? Boy, if you don't say you stupid.
They're not.
Same day, different video. So that's why I still got the same attire on.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
You know what I'm saying? Merch coming soon if you want to get your Subzero_Charger shirts. Anyway, yeah, man. So we are going to a meet. Don't know what's gonna happen, but they hit your boy up and be like, "Yo, come through.
Hi, Daddy.
Come through.
Hi.
Get some of this footage." Hi. Hi.
No.
Come back. Anyway, before we get to this car meet, we gotta go pick up something crazy, right? Humbet. What we picking up?
You come on in.
Oh, okay.
We had our office here, and then
Oh, okay.
we grew too big.
Oh, nice.
So
It's too big, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. It is going down. This is where all the magic happened, huh?
well, for shirts, yeah.
Ugh,
For
y'all
shirts
see
and
that, man.
masks.
Look at that. Y'all see it, man. Oh my God! Wow! Yes, sir. That's super dope, man.
So we got those two.
Yeah. Dope. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. Stop playing. We changing the game.
And then we just gotta see if this one
Got the
fits.
little smaller one? Yeah.
Yeah, and then I have it all ready. If it fits, it's already. Just
Oh, okay. You just gotta
throw
put
on
it.
there.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
So the ones that, because we have other people waiting for the little ones too.
Yeah.
And they were supposed to be here today.
Oh, okay.
And
Oh, yeah, that's right. She was telling me that. Yeah, it was supposed to be here and
I
everything.
have option one. I could have her friend make it right
Yeah.
away. We get it right away.
Nice.
But these, I hope they fit.
Oh, yeah.
And they're
Yeah.
adjustable right here on the edge.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
with a slide behind it. So and it does have this one, but it has a little spot.
Little
for
spot.
filter.
Okay.
It
Okay.
filters on.
Okay.
But I was saying, when I have it already set. If it fits
Yeah.
for her, then it has a little adjustable on it as well.
Okay.
So
That'll work.
it's got metal up here too, so I can.
So it can bend it and
Yep.
stuff? Okay. Come on, man. You look on the YouTube, ain't saying nothing. What's going on? What's going on?
You gonna go over there and say hi?
You ain't gonna even get on. You camera shy?
YouTube channel.
You camera shy?
It's too big.
He can't. See y'all. Make sure y'all get him a life of being camera shy.
Is it too big?
Stop playing Brillery. There you go. Make sure y'all follow. You know what I'm saying? You want to get on your Facebook and Instagram where they can find y'all at?
I don't got it. Oh,
You
got
do?
it.
Instagram,
and stuff.
KB Vinyl Imprint, and then same thing with Facebook, KB Vinyl Imprint.
All right, cool. Link
both
gonna
of
be
them are the
down.
same.
The link will be in the description down below. So if y'all need some masks, make sure you guys hit them up.
Yeah, we got the.
You got the card. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Look, see, there it is.
It has numbers and stuff on the back. You can flip it over to the
Need some light. Yeah, we go. Yeah, make sure y'all hit them up. Like I said, if y'all can't see that, it's kind of blurry right now, but y'all can't see that. Link will be down below, so make sure y'all get them. Y'all need some sports ones, but we Bears fans over here. So,
I'm just saying. We can do what we can. I'm an Eagles fan, so maybe some of them is kind of hurtful.
He's been Cowboys one.
I did see the Eagles one that you did, though. That was pretty dope. With
Oh yeah, with the glitter.
Yeah, that was pretty dope. Yeah, that
we
was
did
dope.
a San Francisco one yesterday.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was that right there.
yeah, that was pretty
Kansas
dope.
City. Like
See,
this.
look at
I was
that
like, I don't think he does this.
They
You know what I mean?
supporting the last video, you know what I'm
Hey.
saying? Yes, sir.
Well, we got to review who we're working with.
He's like, Mom, I
I
know
feel-
who it is. I know who it is. I was like, do you know who it is? And he's like, yeah, Mom, I'm going to meet him and I'm going to know who he is.
Oh,
He's
yeah,
like,
see,
so
then he
excited.
took off.
I
Boy.
was telling him, I was like, you're gonna walk in there and be treated like a celebrity. You gotta.
I was like, yes, sir. That's
He took
cool.
off, he's not even in
Yeah, it's not even in here. Hold on. We gotta go
Where'd
get
you go
him.
hide?
We gotta go get him now. Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah. What's going on?
You always want to say like and subscribe to me on YouTube.
Tell
Yeah.
him. Say like and subscribe.
Tell them to like, subscribe, and comment on Subzero Charger. Oh, see? And you're gonna be on the intro if you do it.
You want to be on it?
You be gaming?
Tell him. Say like and subscribe. No? Comment?
He be gaming? Does he game?
Kyron will probably do it. No, Kyron's the gamer.
He be gamer? He got a stream?
Probably not getting it right now.
Come on, man.
Let's show him your Fortnite.
Show him the Fortnite.
Which one your skin you got?
Let me see that skin. Y'all see him gaming, man. Stop playing with him. What's your streaming? You be streaming? You don't be streaming? What's your tag? Tell them your tag so they can know where to follow you at.
Say Kyron Moore. 014.
Oh, they-
They're all excited talking how they're going to be all out on the camera.
Yeah, now the camera get him. The camera get him. Come on, man.
Tell him like and subscribe.
Yeah, make sure you tell them to like and subscribe.
You going to say, Kyron?
Yes, sir. Y'all heard him. Like and subscribe. Oh, he gone now. Yup. All right, beach ball. All right. Cool. Hey, you want to vlog? Here, I'll let you vlog.
You want to hold it?
You want to vlog it?
Look it. Face it towards him so he can say something. Face it towards him so he can say something.
You already know, man. It's your boy. You know what I'm saying? My man is holding the camera right now. We vlogging. You already know what it is. Like, subscribe, and comment. You already know what it is. See? And that's all you got to do. Now, your turn. Look at him. Look, he don't even want to say it. Look at him. Oh, yeah. This part definitely going on the vlog. Yes, sir. What? Y'all heard him, man. He said it. Look, he said it, but we'll let that one slide. But his brother ain't said it, so I don't know about that.
Go ahead.
Bucks
Hurry,
that
go
you
say
want.
it. V-Bucks.
Stand
Go
up.
over there.
Stand up.
Go over there.
Subscribe to Subcharger.
Hey! We are! Already, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, man. Hit that notification button icon. Yes, I said notification button because if you're new here, you know what I'm saying? I had a little mix up. And in my previous videos, go watch them all. Like, start from the beginning. But yeah, man, so make sure you hit the notification button icon. You know what I'm saying? We about to go to this meet. Yo, it's gonna be crazy, man. Yes, sir. Yeah! See this thing right here? Mustang. Look like a Cobra. Look like it. That's a 5.0. Got the little blue thing right there. Yeah, that thing hard. I'm gonna go right here. This thing hard. Yes, sir. What's going on, man? Yeah. Oh, we out here though. We out here. What's going on? It's so quiet. So quiet. Look at that thing right there, boy. That thing hard, man. Go ahead, see the shirt. Go ahead. That thing hard right here. What's going on, man? All right, all right. That thing hard right here. Yes, sir. That thing hard. See what the hell up. Stupid. Yeah, that's all right. I see that thing, man. That thing hard. Thumbnail. That thing hard, man. What's going on, man? How you doing? All right. That thing hard, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That thing hard. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Subzero Charger, man. Yes, sir, man. Give your boy a follow. You got something to shout out? Oh yeah, come on, let's see it, man. You know, this you right here. This you right here? Yeah. Oh, for sure. Well, that's his car, y'all. That's his car, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all give him a follow, man. What's your Instagram?
Impala on 22s.
Oh, for sure. Impala on 22s, man. Make sure y'all give him a follow, man. That thing nice though. That thing hard. That thing hard. Hell yeah. That shit hard. Yes, sir. This you right here? Hell yeah. You got Instagram?
Yeah, 23 Impala 00.
Hell yeah.
Impalas in Arizona.
Hey. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I give him a follow, man. Stop playing. This thing hard. This thing hard. Huh?
That's your Instagram or your YouTube?
Hell yeah, YouTube, man. Subzero Charger, man. You know, I'm up and coming, so.
What do you drive, a Charger?
Yeah, Charger. It's just a V6, but I be like customizing it.
Shit, you should join my homies. You're out here for good?
Oh yeah, I stay out here. Yeah, I stay out here.
My homies are from Whole Power Muscle.
Yeah, I heard about them. Yeah.
That's my boys in there.
Yeah. I don't know. I might stay solo for a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
If you ever want to come, bro, we are.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, yeah, cause I've been looking for some during the day too. So.
Yeah, we go to all the car meets and shit. We go to all the lowriders. And
Yeah?
shit.
Okay. Well, yeah, just hit me up whenever, man. So it's the same Instagram too. So just hit me on Instagram too, man. Yeah. All right, man. Appreciate y'all, man. All right, you too, bro. Look at that thing right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, I like that wrap on there. Because it don't look the same as every other camo.
This is very fast on the side.
That shit hard. That thing hard right here, y'all. That's it. This thing very fast. Don't let it fool you. Don't let it fool you. Yes, sir. That thing hard. That thing right there, man. That thing hard. Big old school. Mopar gang. Y'all see the Hellcat. Y'all see the Hellcat. Yeah, that's hard. He be racing. Tell about those back tires. Got red out right here, y'all. They are. Yeah. Yes, sir. This thing hard. You got the green belt. Yes, sir. That thing hard. Look at that oil catch can right there. That thing hard. Look at that thing. I see. Oh yeah, man. Give me a follow, man. You gonna be up on there? Yeah, you gonna be up on there, man. You got an Instagram or something? Get the people? Yeah, see, you don't do no Instagram. Yeah, you got a YouTube channel? Which?
C6 Vet Life.
All
capital letters.
All right, man. Make sure I give him a follow, man.
C6 Vet Life. I mean, I don't do much, but
hey, it's something.
I got content on there.
Hey, it's a start. Hey, get on it, man.
Yeah, just to show my progress.
Yeah, this thing hard, man. I'm gonna have to get it during the daytime too, cause I ain't got no light on my camera, so it's hard to see it.
Yeah,
But
it's
It's a Le Mans Blue is what it
Yeah,
is.
it's a Le Mans, man. Make sure I give him a follow. I'm pretty sure it's on his channel. So he say he just painted the rims, so we can see it a little bit. But this thing hard though, man. You good? Yeah, y'all see that thing, man.
Just simple, man.
The Majestic 10. Man, stop playing. And this thing beating too, man. So don't think. There it go right here. Look at that. Y'all see that blue? Y'all see that blue? He did that himself, man. Come on, man. Get this man a follow and a subscribe, man.
Put the lights in. Ooh, here we go. See, hard.
Yes, sir. It's nice meeting you, man. So just hit me.
Subzero. I'm gonna definitely get on your channel.
Oh yeah, man. Hit me whenever, man. But whenever they do like me too, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll be on there. So it's the same name. All right, man. Camo wrap thing. Yes, sir. That thing hard. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Shit hard, man. Hard. You see the big babe gorilla. Yes, sir. That shit hard. Hey, big old school body. Yes, sir. It's Mopar gang. Yeah. I'll see this thing. This thing hard. I just like that blue though. All right, y'all. That's probably the end of this video. If we can't find another car meet, so until next time, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? Bring y'all some crazy content though, man. Everybody out here, man. But we finna go home, man. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. You know what I'm saying? More content, dropping more bangers coming. You already know, man. In the meantime, between time, you already know, man. Stay cool, stay cold, man. You already know what it is. Yeah!